Did you know that arthritis affects over 50 million adults worldwide, making everyday activities like walking, riding, or even holding a cup a painful struggle? But what if I told you there's a spice that could change that almost immediately? Welcome to our deep dive into this miracle spice, turmeric, the vibrant yellow spice that's not just for cooking, but may be your new best friend for tackling arthritis pain. Known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric has been making waves in the health community, and today we're going to explore just how powerful it can be. Arthritis isn't just a single condition, it's a complex family of musculoskeletal disorders with many causes and varied treatments. The most common symptoms include joint pain, stiffness, swelling, and a decreased range of motion, which can become progressively worse over time. For many, managing these symptoms is a daily challenge, impacting physical activities and quality of life. This is where turmeric comes in, offering not just hope, but real results for many. Now, how can turmeric help? It's all about curcumin, the active compound in turmeric known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation, one of the main causes of pain and swelling in arthritis patients. But it doesn't stop there. It also has antioxidant effects that help repair cells and alleviate pain. Let's get into how you can use turmeric to fight arthritis. The simplest way is to incorporate it into your diet. You can add turmeric powder to your soups, stews, smoothies, or even make a warm, soothing cup of turmeric tea. However, to really target arthritis pain, higher doses often found in supplements may be needed, typically about 500 mg of curcumin twice daily. Remember, it's crucial to choose a supplement that includes piperine, which significantly enhances absorption of curcumin in the body. But what does science say? Numerous studies have shown that curcumin can significantly decrease pain and improve function in people with osteoarthritis. In some cases, the effects were comparable to ibuprofen, but without the gastrointestinal side effects. Furthermore, testimonials from individuals who have turned to turmeric speak volumes, with many experiencing substantial relief shortly after starting their regimen. Now, while turmeric offers fantastic benefits, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment, especially if you're taking other medications like blood thinners, as turmeric can increase the risk of bleeding. To wrap up, the potential of turmeric to improve the lives of those with arthritis is immense. Not only does it offer a natural, effective way to reduce pain and inflammation, but it also comes with a host of other health benefits that can enhance overall wellness. So, why not give it a try? Add a little turmeric to your life and see how it transforms your arthritis management. Share your journey in the comments below. We love hearing how these natural remedies work for you, and don't forget to subscribe to the Natural Healing Guides YouTube channel. Click the notification bell so you never miss out on new health insights. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, pain-free life with the help of a little spice.